Hey there guys, this is Coach Tor for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called index multiplier. So it says return the sum of all items in an array where each item is multiplied by its index, 0 based. For empty arrays, return 0. So as you can see from the function named index multiplier, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an array, and we're supposed to get 40. So as you can see, the 1 is then multiplied by its index, which is 0, and then you add it to the number 2, which is multiplied by its index 1, and so on and so forth, and you get 40. The same as the second example, negative 3 is multiplied by its index 0, added to 0 times its index of 1, and then 8, which is its index of 2. Remember, its index starts, when we're talking about an array, it starts at 0. Okay, so this 3, negative 3, is going to be index of 0. This is going to be, this 0 is going to be index of 1. This 8 is going to be index of 2. This is going to be index of 3. Okay, so notice all items in the array will be integers. So let's go to the code tab. So to solve this, as you can see, we got our function. And inside of the function, you can see we have a vector int, and the name of it's r. So again, side note, when you see a function, and you'll see right here, you can have different, like a double and float. So that's what you'll be returning. We will be returning an int, so an integer. Um, so start this off. So first, again, we have to find the sum of the elements times its indexes. So what we're going to do, we need something so we can placeholder that sum. So I initialize the integer name variable sum, initialize it to 0. Now we'll be doing a for loop where we start off at 0, and we will go until we hit the array, the end. So remember, what this means right here in the for loop, int I, we initialize it to 0, so that's where we're going to start the element. We're going to start at 0, that's the index, and then I will be keep on going by 1 each time. As you can see, this right here, it's going to carry the for loop to the next index. After it's done one loop, it's going to go to the next one, all the way to the end. This is what that means. So how we're going to get the answer, so sum plus or equal, so this is where we done this before in other videos, but this is the same, doing this is the same as in just doing that. Okay, so sum, and then we have to go through each element times its index. So it's the element, how we access the element right here, multiply it by its index. So return sum, and we should be getting the answer. As you can see, it passed all the tests for the problem. Just go back and just show you this again, just so you won't get confused. It is the same as doing this. Let's see. There we go. Now that we have solved it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Edabit solutions. Thank you.